I should get started. Welcome to At the Ends of Eras, the video game development stream where I develop the video game At the Ends of Eras. I'm the video game developer running the stream. But anyway, what did I do last time? Alright. Hang on. I know what I need out. Important stuff here. Bring this over here. Remember this? Everyone's favorite? Alright. Because I need to double check. So where is working offline? I don't see it. But anyway, the game is starting up. Video games. How I love when you just stutter and stutter and stutter and stutter. But okay. Back to important things. Back to the real video game here. I want to get my offline thing. Does it, Did I do it correctly? I think I didn't do it correctly, because it doesn't seem like it's shuffling properly. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Because I said I was going to work off stream, and then I didn't. So that's your little bingo card today. So today, this is your bingo. Memorize it. It'll be important. There'll be a quiz later. But okay, and I'm going to make this music a little bit quieter. In fact, I should probably have that on here as well, complaining about the music that I created, like that I put on the playlist. Because I literally get like an hour's worth of music just like before the stream starts, like 10 minutes before. Oh wait, hang on. Stream broke, capture broke. Put that on the bingo card. This is important. Is that on here? Capture dies. Oh. Awesome. I love when video games don't work. We're off to a strong start with this bingo, though. Especially since is getting embarrassed and not writing all on the bingo card. I can't see it from here. And I'm afraid to move off of this because I think the capture dies whenever I touch the mouse, or whenever I like alt tab away from this while it's loading. Okay. There it goes, stuttering and stuttering and stuttering. What is happening? Is it just not? Okay. Oh, the mouse just wasn't attached to it for some reason. And also the guns are still too loud. I guess the game is just too loud. Why is it so... It's so slow too. Okay, but I don't need to worry about that. Because we're doing first pass stuff. This is going to be complicated. Because I basically need child versions of the character. Let's just say teen human, teen little guy. Because there's basically two versions of Jackie's mom that can be in the medium, and now we need a teenage version of that for when she's, you know, a teenager. Okay, event add a second medium should also do whatever I need for the network stat stuff. That'd be good. Okay, the medium should provide dialogue directing you to interesting things that advance the story. This is good, but I think it's a feature. I don't think that needs to be in this first pass stuff. Okay. Let's go to the tree tower. Let's go to the functional deadline. Oh, God. I guess I can at least do this part. Okay, so let's do, that, I guess. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna have a very cool... I'm gonna have just a very, like, basic version of this, and then I'll actually do the real thing off stream. Because, yeah, this is getting into the hard part of this, of streaming the game's development, since most of the work remaining for, like, this first pass is endgame and spoiler stuff. And I just don't want to do it on stream. But okay, I think what I can do, at the very least, is let's just put an NPC here. Yeah, basically, I tend to shy away from writing on stream because well, one, if I do it badly, it makes me look like an idiot, but also if I do it well, I'm then spoiling content for the game. So it's like a lose-lose. But let's call this the you win guy. And he's just gonna say, oh yeah, what I was doing off stream was I was learning APL, so this was how to get the first 1,000 or sum up all the multiples of 3 and 5 under 1,000, and here's how somebody else did it. So I studied their code. But that's not important. Oh yeah, welcome to the stream, by the way. Well, let's see, I need to go to, let's say, dialogue, test. Yeah, because I do want to do it, but it's also... It's one of those things where I don't know if I'm actually good at writing, and I don't want to find out, really. But I gotta find out, because, you know, the story... That's all that's left, really. Or that's all that that's what I should work on, to build the rest of the game around it. Okay, dialogue test, let's just call this you win dialogue, because I'll have to figure out how to make the end game work. Let's see how it works for, where is that? I think it's main quest? Is this the thing? No. Train? Ending train, okay. Oh, it's right here. Main speaker.endgame. Wow, and it's been so long it doesn't even use the modern format. Main speaker endgame. Okay. Let's see what this thing does. So this is... I see. What I should do is probably have, well, I guess I could have this. That could be interesting. Yeah, I'll have that. Basically, there's a little circle that the player can stand in, and that ends the game. Or initiates dialogue, rather than pressing a button. But But okay, so this guy will have you win. So do I have something cool and epic? Credits roll, life resumes. So we can at least do these two. Because I know what I want for that endgame stuff, but yeah, I don't want to do it on stream. Wait, though, this means that I actually need a custom thing. Does he have a signal? Let's have this do that. Main speaker, emit signal, do something. And then we'll have the game endomatic. And train, I guess. Yeah, because this game does have, it has the framework of the gameplay, but it's a very story-based game otherwise, so all of the content will be based around the actual plot. I think... So we need these two things. So I guess I could just do this. Oh. Will it work? There we go. And game-o. Okay, so what this is going to do is endogame-o, end game. But then this should actually have a custom thing. Okay. Because what I want this to do is, let's have save equals false. Yeah. So, the plot is, there's a machine called the Medium. And the Medium, as you can imagine, lets you commune with the dead. But the way that it works is by scanning a person's memories and constructing an AI of the person in question. So, like, if you wanted to talk with your mother, it would basically just give you exactly what you want. But, the main character, Jackie, so let's go into the game. She wants to commune with her mother using the medium, but her mother disappeared when she was a toddler, like 18 months old or something like that. So she's come to a medium in a desert province of a country, specifically where her mother grew up. So her goal is to basically figure out people who knew her mother, information about her mother, and then use that to feed into the medium. And so that sort of motivates all of her running around this area of just trying to figure out, well, learn about her mother and then use that for the medium. And so then it's sort of an open world, like, adventure game style thing, where you can do some platforming and talking to people. To find the fake mother. Well, there's the medium mother, which I guess is the fake mother. But yeah, I'm not really sure if actually finding Jackie's mom is part of the... or is like a realistic goal for Jackie. Because her mom disappeared, or her mom left this country like 30 years ago, so there's not really any well, I guess there is reason to suspect she could come back here. Oh yeah, so we can just go to the AI version. Let's go to 112. Let's see. That's another thing that's not certain, if she's even alive or not. Because she might have come out here and died. She might have went to some other country and died. All that Jackie knows is that she left when she was like 18 months old and there's been no contact ever since. So we can go here. So I don't know how much of the medium we have yet. Because I don't remember how far I've gotten in the game. Okay, we haven't gotten very far. So this is all that Jackie can, like, recollect, which is basically, like, the unconscious impressions that she had of her mother when she was a toddler. So, tangled hair, dark, tall, one eye peeking through. Thanks. Yeah, I thought that was an interesting idea. That was the big motivation, I think, for making the game, was the idea of the character not knowing her mother really well, and, like, what would she even be able to, like, what would the medium bring up from her unconscious memory? Yep. Yeah, so it has all sorts of different effects. You can change, there's, like, multiple different appearances that she can have, and, like, variations on those appearances. And then even things like the environment you're talking in and stuff like that. And I think the big thing now is making sure that I have all of the nuances of, like, the personality over time. Let's see. The music feels like it's getting louder. I'll just quiet it on my end. Yeah, it's quite easy to get overwhelmed with it. I've had to, like, very carefully structure it. Because now it's like, there's a whole system of, like, layers and modifiers and events and things like that to make it so that I can actually, like, make things without it just being a tangle of if statements. But even still, I think as I get deeper into, like, how it affects it, I don't like those frame rate drops, how it affects the game, it'll be tricky. Yeah, I guess I'll raise up the music a little bit on your end. Because I have very little, I guess very little brain space for music. Yeah, and open world's tricky. I think the nice thing about this story is that it lends itself very well to non-linear storytelling, so I don't have to worry about, like, people doing certain things in order. I just have, like, I've been thinking about ways of, like, almost like gear shifting, to make sure that stories of different tones don't clash with each other if the player does them back to back. But otherwise, because the player's just learning bits of information, all of those bits can be gotten in any order. Oh yeah, the audio on my end and the audio on the stream end are separate knobs, so I can just lower it as much as I want. But I've found that for some reason it tends to be almost always much quieter on the stream than in my ears for some reason. Even though, like, I have the volume at, like, 10%. Yeah. Yeah, because that was the big reason that I was interested in this story, is because it lended itself so well to open worlds. Actually... Well, because that's the entire point of the story. Like, the point of the story is that it's non-linear. Or that's the part that excites me. Like, if I just wanted to make a linear story, I'd just write a book. I guess I should just see if this actually beats the game. But I guess, if save, what should I do? Where should I save the player? Because I think what they're going to do is life resumes, so player is placed somewhere thematic, relevant, let's see. Yeah, because it definitely, well, I don't even know if it's really harder to design it this way. Because it's basically like, each story is basically just an episode. And I only have to worry a little bit about things that happen in different sequences because of, like, the layer system. Let's see, what do I need? I need to search through my spoiler stuff. Let's go to this. See, on the other side here, I'm looking at a... Let's see. What am I looking for? Areas... Hang on, I need to bring this over to the other side. I don't think this is gonna... I don't know if this is gonna work so well, to have just everything happening off to the side here. But okay, I'll at least close these so we can... you can look at this. Okay, so what am I looking for here? I'm looking for this, I guess. Oh wait, I changed how this works. Okay, so I don't even have the ending, or I don't even have the thing that I was thinking of anymore. Because basically, I had some code to teleport the player to the train station when the game was ending. And now it just doesn't work. Or it doesn't exist anymore. So I guess what I'll do is find out... No, this isn't what I need. This is what I need. Let's wait a few minutes for this to load up. computer. Okay, let's look for teleport. Endgame teleport marker. Okay. So is this even in the right place? Let's double check. Well. Okay, it wasn't. Okay, so let's remove that, because I'm just going to have it be chunk 49 / endgame whatever thing. Okay, so let's do main speaker. Let's signal that. And that's going to do... Let's go to the Gameo endo. Let's actually get this code. And we're going to change this to an entities one time. Endo Gameo. So if not, well, I don't really need this. Play end game, get this, get that, go to credits, and then we're just gonna have, instead of this, well, I guess we should go to credits. Nah, what I'll just do is like, global add stats ending 2. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, I've done a lot of different game development over the years, so I think I've developed a lot of these different skills instead of doing other things. Yeah, I find it's hardest to learn at first, because it's also like there's a vocabulary of even like things like Googling things gets easier over time because you learn the words that people write things with. Okay, so we no longer need this because we're just gonna do var x equal, or no, n equals global dot get. Oh no, I guess we just do get node 3 dot current scene get node junk 049 / teleport marker. Because now it's got to be this one. Yeah, player teleport marker. One of these, yeah. And actually, we should have this not here, because it should do like get player dot fade out. Oh, wait, p dot disable. Well, actually, we don't need to disable them. We can just do... Well, I guess we'll do that. Wait, we need, like... Was there something else? Oh, wait, no. Yeah, I needed fade out here. Let's go to player. Fade out. In? Well, why do I have that? Let's do fade label fade slash label text equals nothing. Or let's just do fade animation player play fade out. And I'm pretty sure that exists. I'll double check though. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we fade out. And we don't need this. And honestly, that kind of means we don't need any of this. Because we can just do this endgame. Yield get 3 dot create timer like 3 timeout, and then we do go or like teleport to end, because then we just get our tree. And actually, is enable a thing? Well, let's just not have that. Or let's do like player.lock and then unlock. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, computer dying. Hang on. Oh, and the playlist isn't incrementing properly. Okay, I'll just shuffle it. It tends to work if I do that. The video game is on the other screen and it's taking its sweet time. So why is this slightly messed up? Because usually there's a mostly black screen here. Let's see, what steered me toward Godot? I guess it was that it was pretty small, open source, and I didn't mind working with it. Because there were some other ones that I was looking at that were like open source engines, but a lot of them were very, like, had very little documentation and stuff like that. Or like strange workflows. But yeah, because before this I used Unity for like a college project. And I used Godot a little bit in my spare time during that period. And I think otherwise, way before that, I did some work very lightly in Game Maker. Let's see. I don't know if I've used Unreal for anything significant. I've at least opened it before. Wait, what was I testing? Oh, right. I was testing the endgame stuff. I should at least see... Because you shouldn't be able to open the tower without doing the endgame things. But if you do... I know what to do. Not stat medium / endgame. Otherwise, we win. Okay. I don't want them to, but I'll allow it. Because I think it's more interesting if I have the game react to things, or try to react to what the player can do, even if I don't think they should be able to do it. Because that's the nice thing about also the game being, like, unvoiced at all. It's like, I can just add as much dialogue as I want. And as long as it's not creating more work for me, it tends to be, well, not too much more. Yeah, basically. Okay, and then, game broke. Oh, I see. Why did fading out break? Oh, because I broke the player. Did I accidentally delete fade out from here? No, wait, I didn't. Did I... Was I supposed to... What? Why does this not... So if I fade out... That works, and then I fade in. That works. So why is game broke? Thanks, yeah. Yeah, I think that's a fun example of just, like... It doesn't have to be a big thing, or, you know, big new secrets for the player to uncover, but just things that the player wouldn't normally expect. Or even things I've been thinking about with the internet and with YouTube. You don't need to be... you don't need to go easy on people with secrets. Like, you can make really complicated, difficult things, because people are going to, like, data mine the game and all that stuff, so you can just go ham with the secrets. And eventually, people are going to look at them, and if they're cool, they'll share them on YouTube and stuff like that, so it's not going to be a secret for long. You know, like, you don't have to worry, like, oh, only 5% of players are going to see this, because 85% of people who look at it, you know, who look up the game on YouTube or whatever will see it. But okay, I don't know why the fading in, fading out is broken. Because, like, the you win guy... Oh, right, okay. That's good, because then I can just do global add stat medium endgame. Yeah, so he teleports us. But first of all, the game is supposed to gracefully fade out, and then the teleport happens, and then it fades in. So the timer isn't working. And also, this should be, I guess, exit plus... exit plus... speaker, emit, signal, do something. Is the video game okay? Oh, wait. Yeah, I think I'm aiming for, like, 2026. So it'll be a while still. Okay, so none of these... Okay, so those are just because of that. So none of those are from that issue. Actually, where even are we? Like, why is the game broken? Okay, I can pause, but I can't unpause. Left operand of is was already freed. Okay, so I did something broken with the game. So let's check collision. So, okay, so we already do this. If there's ground and it's not valid. So how on earth does it happen over the course of a frame? Let's see, a play test would probably be, I'm thinking sometime in 2025 I'd like to have like a vertical slice or demo of some sort. Okay, so why is this all busted? And the fade out works. So why is this? I guess I'll do... So endgame. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's the issue. We should not pause it there. Yeah, because I do actually have a work-in-progress demo of the game available now, but it's not really representative of what the game is now. Okay. Yeah, basically. And it has the vague, or it has the introduction to the story, but it doesn't have... Well, the quest there isn't very substantial around that intro area, so it only gives you, like, the introduction and then the ability to walk around, basically. Teleport to... Oh, wait, no. I do global add stat end game... No, medium. I win. Okay, that was the issue. I was... Okay, so that... I guess I should probably just make sure that this x equals global dot add stat num slash end. Because realistically, this should be here. Well, yeah, that should be there, no matter what. Yeah. Though admittedly, the game isn't much of a platformer anymore, it's more of like an adventure game. So the main mechanics are basically just... Well, I guess I would say the game is a lot more content first than a lot of platformers are. Okay, there we go. And now we can go to the end. And then that'll do something, and eventually there'll be a variation on the end. In fact, I should probably do that just here. Video game? Oh. It just took a long time. So what is this? I have a good idea. I should do the same thing that I did for the player, or for the, so if we go to 49. So I'd no longer, well, I guess I'll keep this around. Yeah, I think what it is, what is it actually? So basically when we do the endgame screen, because it was weird, when I paused the game and then unpaused, it seemed to work. It took a few seconds for it to properly apply, but I guess this would be credits? Credits, okay. Yeah, for now it's basically just gonna be... So for the proper, like, going on the train and leaving, you're just allowed to load your save right before then. So I guess I'll just put this here. Yeah, admittedly, especially with changing scenes, like, and also, why is there used to be, like, a black screen here, but now it's not here. Like, what the hell did I do? Because that should be, it's in this scene. But okay, let's try this again. I also don't like how big that circle is, because it basically uses the full width of the circle. Video game. There we go. Okay, so now that fades out. Press this, press that. There we go. And then let's... Oh, I see. It's just taking a long time to load it. Okay, so it just takes an eternity to actually load the game from there. So I should probably just have like a little loading thing at the bottom. In fact, let's have that. So we're gonna do yield 0.1, or like get tree, create timer 0.1, timeout. And then this will have like a label here. This will have theme override font big. Where is it, like... Is it... Where is it? Why is it not, like... Huh? Is this... Okay, I see. Okay, so let's have this, like, that. And then this should expand... How do I check, or how do I grow? So we need... begin, I think, here. Because now it should, like, if it ever gets taller... Oh, didn't work. Begin? Oh, wait, no. This one's end, that other one's begin. Basically, if it gets taller, it should go up rather than down. Okay. So now we're going to do color rect label, or color rect loading dot show. So what is up with this as well? So this is shader preload. Okay, I think... Okay, I see. I removed the fade here. That was not supposed to be done. So let's bring that back in just a little bit of opacity. Okay. And now there should be a little thing on the side. Oh wait, no, there won't be. Take your time. Oh wait, that's on the bingo. And I'm pretty sure I've groaned at some point while doing this right now. Okay, where's take your time? There it is. Yeah, I think the reason it didn't was because I forgot that this thing fades out. So I think what I want... Actually, first off, does this thing... Wait, no, this thing... Okay, so this doesn't override the color. So why did this... Oh wait, no, it was because... Right, all that stuff. Okay, so why is this behind this? Like, did I do something with, like, the Z? Okay, if I put it here... Wait, didn't I do this? So, did I put it, like, here? No, okay, but now it'll work, I think. Because it'll fade out those things. Let's see. No groaning. I'm surprised. Let's remove that then. I can't get too excited about the bingo card. Okay. Video game is incorrect. I disagree with the video game. Did I put this attached to the entire thing? So if we fade out here... Oh, it fades out the entire screen. So we need this to not be... Okay, so I just need to do control, full rectangle, everything except for the loading screen, because that's going to be out here. And then this thing will no longer be this, it'll be that. So that way, this all works beautifully. And then this will just click loading. Oh wait, and this also needs to just have that looks good. I don't know why that's not good. Oh wait, because I need this. Oh wait, the bingo? Yeah, let's show that off. So here's the bingo card. Basically, oh wait, actually, I should have a transition for that, but I have bingo for various stream things. So basically common things that I say when I'm frustrated, or just common, like, bad habits. Yeah, so what? Oh yeah. Like, a lot of them are, like, arriving late, leaving early, and stuff like that. But it's been fun, because it also means that if I get frustrated, I'll do things, and I'll be like, oh wait, that's on the bingo card. And I'll get excited and put it on there instead of getting angry. Hang on. Video game. video game. This is not visible. Or this should, wait, oh, I know. It should be this loading hide. There we go. Okay, then it'll be fine. Video game. Like, is this not working? Oh, wait, I know what it is. It's because this is no longer here. There should be a dot dot. Yeah, there we go. And then this should also be dot dot. Let's see, I've been playing Chrono Trigger. But yeah, I don't actually play that many video games. Because it's funny, the reason I'm playing Chrono Trigger is because I saw a video essay where a guy is ripping into another game, but he was comparing it to Chrono Trigger, so he's like, oh, there's spoilers for Chrono Trigger, by the way. So I was like, oh, well, I gotta watch Chrono Trigger to watch this guy that I've never seen before tear into a video game I've never seen before and probably won't play. Because he didn't like it. And so, I mean, Chrono Trigger's fun, so I'm glad that I did, but it's sort of goofy that that was my motivation for it. What's this? Oh, right, Control slash. I'll eventually get this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like it a lot. And it's pretty short, because well, I think it's pretty short, because I'm at the end game-ish, I think. And it's been about 13 hours. And that also includes, I backtracked a whole bunch where I'd, like, go across literally the entire game world. Oh, I see. This is where that's supposed to be. And then this... Because I guess... Yeah, I have a good idea. Let's go to the shader preload. Let's do, one of these. And then we're going to have this load in a separate thread. Alright, let's do, like, start loading. And let's actually do, like, a zoom game. SCN. Get free dot change scene to SCN. And we'll have, like, function load async. And this will be like source loader load okay, I think this is what I need. Areas / world.tscn. Okay. As packed scene. Call deferred. Resume. Game. Actually, I guess we could do... Well, let's do if control.animationPlayer.is playing yields control animation player dot animation finished. And this might work. I don't know if statements, there's some janky thing with Godot where if there's a yield statement inside an if statement, I don't think it actually works. But I'll see if this does. And then we'll have var red. So it'll just be red equals thread.view thread.start load async. So this way it'll start loading in the background. Let's see, a 2D shape. Yeah, I can name a 2D shape. Oh wait, we need to do self. Let's see. So for for loops, there actually is no failsafe, and I know that because a lot of the time, well, actually, yeah, infinite loops and infinite recursion, there are no warnings for, because you can actually get Godot to crash with no error messages if you call a function infinitely. And that's always fun to figure out, because I forget it every time. Okay, so now it's loading. Admittedly, there's not even really a need for... Oh, game died. Wait, did the game die? What happened? And then we can do like thread.wait to finish. So they should... So let's have this here. To see if it at least hits that. And we should probably have a little thing, like a little spinner or something. That'd be good, because I have no idea if that's actually loading. So for now, let's just do... Let's change this to an H box. Very, very weird. Okay, so then we can do... Yeah, that seems fine. Oh wait, but we need this to be bottom left. Oh yeah, the dots being alternating would be good. What I'll do... Well, I guess one thing that I'd like... I know, I don't want to do anything too complicated, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have an animation. Oh wait, now this needs to be... Well, I guess I can just undo until it works. There we go. Oh wait. It broke the anchor point, and the undo didn't fix it. I love Godot. Okay. What I want... Animation player. Loop. I want some subtle color variation. So let's just go down to like a dark blue-ish. Well, no, so if we're here, if we go down to here, let's go to like here. And then this will loop. And it'll also auto start. Let's change this to like cubic maybe. In like 6 seconds. And so this way, if there is any sort of like discontinuity, I'll probably not notice it because this is a very subtle move, or very subtle animation. Yeah, because admittedly, I don't really need it to be prominent for gameplay, because it's mostly just for the sake of me to make sure the game hasn't frozen. Or to check when the game freezes. Because I think what'll happen is there should be like a... yeah, it should be smooth here, and then it should freeze once the game actually loads. Mm-hmm. Because I could also have something like shifting between the characters, like a mask. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, because my other thing is just the classic little spinning thing next to it. Man, it's taking its sweet time, isn't it? This does not seem correct. So it should just do this, and then never use, so we can remove this now, because this is no longer going to be here. Start returns value. Assert x... oh no. Oh, wait. Well, that explains that. Yeah, it's basically, it exited the game world, and then it left to... or, admittedly, I don't know if I even need to have a separate scene, but basically, it exits the world, so then it's reloading it. Well, I guess once it gets more advanced, I'd like to unload the game. Because eventually this will be a full-on, like, credits sequence. But okay, now it should be much faster because it's actually going to load the game. There we go. Though it does still take a few seconds for it to load after that. Yeah, let's see that again. Because it might have also been because I had the breakpoint. For this simple version, it makes sense, but I think for more complicated credit sequence, I wouldn't want that, just because I want to not have to worry about like the player acts like being able to pause the game or like put the developer console over it and stuff like that, or like have enemies attacking the player. Because there's a lot of things that can pause and unpause the game, basically. And I'd have to figure out all of those sources of potential jank if I want the credits just to overlay on top of the game world. Okay, so... Okay, I guess I'm back. Oh wait, was my microphone... How long was my microphone muted? Oh wait, no. Yeah, with the chat, that should be fine. Okay. Why did OBS die, though? So I guess we already have capture dies on here, but I guess I should put OBS dies. Yeah, let's go to bingo. Okay, so we need card, tool, widgets. I wish there was an easier way to add items to the widget, because I can just edit them by double-clicking a field, but let's do OBS dies. Oh, yikes. Yeah, I keep forgetting that I'm an affiliate. Because I honestly just use ad blocker for everything. And I straight up recommend using an ad blocker. Because I don't make, like, any money from the ads on the streams. Let's go to Tool, Interact. Previous. Let's see. Was this? No, this wasn't unplanned. Oh, wait. Let's put that on the bingo card. Is on the bingo card. Okay. I'm still shocked that OBS died. Oh, wait, and all my... Oh, wait, I thought all my trains turned black. But no, it's just these three are just dark by coincidence. And also, this is a pretty... Is this... Did I check the length of this train? Is this actually how long passenger trains are? Seems a little unrealistic to me. Well, then again, passenger trains are based on the population of the area. So, okay. I think that's all fine. I would like to speed up that loading process, but I think that's going to be like a performance thing overall, because basically Godot's pretty fast at just loading the scenes from the hard drive, but then taking that data and putting it into the game itself, or putting it into the game world, is long. Yeah, to an extent it'll load faster, but it'll also have more stuff in it. So it'll load the stuff faster, but overall it could be a lot slower unless I do something. Game dying. There we go. But yeah. Because right now, going from chunk to chunk can sometimes stutter it by like half a second. And eventually, I want it to be a full-on, like, you know, seamless 144 frames a second is my target. So I'll have to do a bunch of work, I think, trying to figure out how to, like, basically make scenes easier to just slap into the memory. Yeah, because the world already does that, but there's just certain things, like, because basically the world loads in this empty state, and then for each of these individual chunks, so like this one's like chunk terrain P farm, so if I go to, oh wait, no, P city would be a better one, because that actually has stuff in it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and so these are just for, and these areas are just for visualization. Because this is the stuff that would actually be brought in when you enter the chunk. And so it loads this in parallel, but even with the loading in parallel, just taking this stuff and putting it into the scene can sometimes take a long time, so that'll cause stuttering. So I think what I'll have to do is dig into Godot's source code and figure out if I can make it faster. Or like, probably at the cost of like usability and stuff. But I don't need usability, I need fast. But okay, I'll say that gives us, credits roll and life resumes. Yeah, the world should be pretty small. Or the textures are pretty lightweight. Because the material here... What is the material? So they have 4 textures, and they are 1024, 512, 1024. Okay. So yeah, and most of the terrain is just these 4 textures, though this one has snow on top instead of the grass. But yeah, the killer here is the fact that all of the terrain is modeled instead of height maps. But even then, I don't think it should be as bad as it is, because it's something like, I forget what it is, like 2 million polygons, 7 million polygons, or 7 million triangles. And that's like one particularly high-res character in a game nowadays. So it's like, I don't get it. Especially since it doesn't actually take a long time to load. It takes a long time to put it into the scene. But okay, what else do I have to do? So this will be, I guess, spoiler stuff. I'll tag it. Well, I don't need... The task itself isn't a spoiler. Yeah, so the way it cuts it up is just because I already have it modeled as separate chunks. So basically like these. But there's something weird with how Godot does the physics colliders. I think there's a way to make it faster. And I'll just have to look into it. Yeah, so the medium, teen human, teen little guy. Do I want to model characters? I guess I have to. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna get my tablet from God knows where. Where did I put it, actually? I'll be back. And actually, now that I think about it, I'm gonna do, also use the bathroom real quick, get some water. But before, I need to do a critical thing, which is to get the bingo set up. Because we need, we need a new card. Which is, where's my tablet? That's gonna be bingo. Let's do this. Okay, and now I'll actually be back in a minute. Oh yeah, you said you wanted a 2D shape named, but I'm not sure what you wanted. Like, did you want to send me a picture of the shape and then I name it, or... Because, yeah, I don't have the faintest idea. Hmm. I'll think on that. That's a lot of commitment. But anyway, I'm going to be back in a minute. I'm going to use the bathroom. Oh, you just mean like to pick a shape. Like which shape should you do something with? Okay, because I thought you meant like to like name a shape, like name it, like give a shape a name. Yeah, because I was about to do, let's move this down. Because yeah, I'm going to do a star then. So we'll make a chunky star. And then we will have, let's do, oh yeah, toolbars will make it die. Oh wait, no, that looks fine on your end. So let's remove these inner lines. Yeah, I thought that you meant that you had like invented a shape and needed someone to name it, like a scientist. Because if I need to do that, then what I'm going to do is we're going to have a star, and he's going to be named like Robo in my Chrono Trigger playthrough, which is, oh wait, let's do this. Sbeve the Sbar. And we don't need an outline on this. We know what this is. It's Sbeve. There we go. So now we have our bingo also has that. Oh wait, wrong thing. There we go. But okay, now what I should do... Actually, I kind of like using Decker for like concept art. So let's call this concept art. Because we need Jackie. Oh wait, we need this. This. Have a little pencil thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's a fun little thing. Actually, let's do larger. Oh wait, no. Larger. There we go. Yeah, it's a neat little gizmo. I'm gonna do. So if we have the chair here. Well, I guess I know what the scene is. We just need a person here. And actually, how am I gonna do this? Because I think I need the. Oh wait, no. I have it here. I have Jackie for reference, so we'll just grab this. Because I need a character that's shorter than Jackie. So I just need her for scale. You probably need simple, like, dress. Do I want anything special with this? I suppose we'll have 3 variations. So this is Teen Tara. And so we need 3 variations. We need with hijab. I guess just 2 actually. And we'll just say little guy. And eventually I'd want a special, or like a unique pose for the character, but... Well, I guess I could do that. Let's just do that. Okay. Admittedly, this isn't exactly much concept art. But that's okay. We'll put this back in the bingo section. So let's do file append, or like file reference. Let's get Jackie in here. We should do object. What should we do? Jackie pants hair coat. Okay, that gives us a reference there. And then I think what I'm gonna do is I'll just append Jackie's mom and then modify that mesh directly. What are these? You don't need these. Where is... There she is. Okay, so we need armature. all of these. And this will be like bone shapes. Do I need, what is this? Oh, I see. Okay, so none of those need to exist. We're just gonna do, I think, just to there, maybe. Let's get this, because we don't really need Jackie now. So this will now be young mom. So let's go to characters, I guess. Yeah. Characters, dynamic mom, young mom. So do I need... I guess first things first. Less chest. I guess down this much. Then let's see if I can figure out how to make this all work out. If I did like here to here. Yeah, that probably makes sense to do like a smooth. Oh. Wait, this almost worked, except I think I do this. Okay. And so now I can push this out a little bit. Also, is this... Okay, this is smooth. Nice, yeah. Yeah, I think pretty soon I'll start doing more character design, I think, because that'll be nice. Even though it's sort of outside of my skill set. Yeah, I think the big thing would be... Why is this so... There we go. And I'm just going to smooth this out. Then we can do a little bit of this here. Why is that like that? Yep. Oh. See, and admittedly, they're not particularly well modeled. But well. What the heck is this? What did I do? Oh, I see. I was using the O, or like proportional editing. Thanks. Let's say that's fine. And then also, I guess she should just be thinner overall as well. Or her hips should be thinner. Inner region. And then let's get her arms and make them a bit thinner as well. So I'll just do kind of a lazy technique. Well, why is this so screwed up? Let's just grab this part. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm basically just narrowing down all of this jump. Well, I guess well, this is going to cover it up anyway, so that didn't matter much. So now I'll just grab this, bring all this down. Okay. And then this should have... What is this? Oh, wait, okay. These are from Jackie. Okay, so we should remove Jackie from here. So unlink all of these. Because now we should hopefully have just... okay. Let's reload this. It drives me crazy how many things just like pop up a tiny little like microscopic window under your mouse to confirm things instead of just putting a thing in the middle of the screen where I can actually notice it. Like, because this menu just disappears. Okay. Now we have this. Oh, I don't care for that. Wait, why is this still here? Oh, wait, I see. This should be unlinked. Why is this linked? Who linked this? Is it from here? No, these aren't. But let's just add a little, like, sitting animation. Yeah, basically I'm complaining specifically about, like, if you do, like, new, for example, and then yeah, like this, it does that. So that's good. But then for revert, it does this tiny, tiny, tiny window appear that says OK, and then you have to click revert. Mm-hmm. And let's do a new action. This will be sit, or like M young sit dash loop. Wow, she would be microscopic if I just put her on the ground. And also, her body does not like this shape at all. How do I deal with that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, the misclipping is a big thing. And also, like, mispressing buttons. Okay, let's get, I guess, her, like, feet this way. I'll just have her, like, on her knees. Because she's supposed to be basically hiding. This is going to be a disaster to figure out the stress stuff. This is kind of good enough. I mean, it's not very good, though. Oh, wait, no. It's not going to be good enough. Because, her legs are here. Yeah, because all this stuff. So I need, like, an adjustment curve thing here. You know what? I have a great idea. I'm not going to do this part. Or let's do RG. Let's just have a little version of her. And then we'll export this. Yeah, I have no idea how to properly set up, especially like a dress. Like that's outside of my normal skill range. Let's put her in here. Say young mum. Placeholder. That all looks good. And I think what I might do is just have her deliberately murky. I'll figure that out soon. But okay, a sitting pose. This will be... I guess this will be an old feeling. Medium. A sitting pose. Okay. Actually, in there. Yeah, because I think the real way that I should do it is just to have, like, a dozen bones for all the different parts of her dress. Or to just simulate it with actual physics, but... Let's say... let's just... I don't care for now. Let's just say teen human, little guy. Okay. So now we should have... Mom. Young. Why is she so small? I guess it's probably something weird with that. Yeah, it'd be pretty, well... Ironically, probably the part that would cause the most delay is the fact that when you click the skeleton, it takes a long time to generate the actual UI for the bones. And actually, this only has 80 bones, so it'd probably be a bigger issue. Because the engine allows as many bones as you want, but... I need this to be like... 0.1. 500. 250. There we go. Okay, so let's start with, like... So, dynamic character. Skin color. Let's just set a relatively common skin color here. Where are my eye sets? Hang on, we need to go to Mom. Where is she even? Here. Okay, so this one will be almost identical, except for just having a completely different character. So this is what? Entities, visual, room for immortal. None of this is what I want. Yeah, where is she? Environment, medium, mum looks. Okay, kinda done. And I should probably rename it, but oh well. Oh, and I see. We have, remove this. Put this here. Get all of this stuff. So if we did outfits slash eyes. Shadowed set, neutral set. Okay. It's because I didn't put eyes in the name of this like an idiot. I guess she should have the shaded set by default. Okay, hologram. So we have the hologram material, then we have hidden discard. So how will this work? So we're actually going to need something more complicated than this. I know. If we have the outfit, let's do that. So dynamic character set outfit, or like, how do we do this? Check outfit stats, set clothing. So where does this go? Outfit P key. So this is mum info. So then we set this stuff here. Emit signal outfit changed. So if we go to dynamic character, where do we get our outfit? It's confusing me. Okay, because what I think I need to do is I need to make it so that this character currently should not have... oh wait, where's the dynamic? There we go. Instead of having this checkbox for human, let's go to the illusory room. Dynamic. Somewhere in here. Or no. Dot human. Okay. I guess that's all fine. What does hello do? make visible, check outfit stats. So if global.mum.outfit, where's this? Let's do apply outfit instead. And let's also just have all of this here. So we're going to have a new function called apply outfit. And that's going to be in a dynamic character. So function apply outfit. This will be B. And then we don't need to do this. Well, I guess we do. No, we don't. So yeah, this just sets the outfit there. But yeah, verbose names are probably for the best. Okay, so this will be dictionary for K in B, if K in outfit K equals DK, refresh. So this way, if there's no key, or if that key doesn't exist, let's see, dictionary isn't a valid type. Oh, now it is. And that means that now I can also go to the little man. Because currently the little men do not have any outfits attached. So I'm just going to have dynamic character here. And they're going to just have completely cleared. Do I have to go through each of these? Can't I just set it to 0? Okay, whatever. We'll just click 10,000 times. And this should hopefully work. And then we can also just have the other thing removed. Or like we can just do this is human. Oh wait, this is the wrong thing. Well, I guess it's not the wrong thing. Why am I here? What am I doing? How did I even get to here? Like, how did I open the wrong file? Okay, because this is the one that I need. Because then this one should have... What is this? That's not the thing I need. Yeah, because now we can go to dynamic character. Yeah, because I frequently do that, where I have, like... where I open just the completely wrong file for no reason. Is there really no way to speed that up? Okay. At long last, we have that. And this means that young mum, she will not have most of these. She will have the eyes, and she'll have, like, the hair color. Yeah, like hair color, hair texture, size, not needed. Mouth, skin color, skin texture, face texture, iris, eyes. Okay, the rest of those are good. And so I need... What do I need? Illusory room. And then we need characters... What holograms do I have? Oh wait, no, I don't need this. I need... Oh, there's the rooms. Okay. Let's get a war room. And we also need this to overlap with this, so let's put them right, like, here. So this will be... Mom, young... Or young mom. Okay, I'm just going to rename this. I keep forgetting that the activator... Okay. So I can do this here, maybe, if the game feels like putting her in the fucking universe. Can I put her, like, within, like, 5,000 meters of where I am? Can we put her within 5,000 miles of here? Okay. So now we have a little version, slightly smaller. She'll be hiding in a corner. And right next to her will be another mum_little. But this one will be interesting because it's going to be scaled down. So this is mum young little. Let's see, I stream usually 4 days a week now. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. Let's see, so this one, let's get this one to like 0.6. That's microscopic. Yeah, I think that's about right. Okay, so now what we'll do is, for the war room, let's have like show mom and just like a different version of her or something. Go to dialogue, medium. Nice, I'm glad to hear it. Yeah, admittedly, I don't actually watch that many streams. Let's see. Let's do Shimon. Little guy. Well, I won't fiddle with this. Let's just do name equals nothing, or like ID equals nothing. So like if ID equals nothing, ID equals mum if global.mum.human else little mum_little. And welcome back. Alright, and this will be that. Because now we can do c.visible equals c.name equals ID if c.visible character equals c. And then do that. Okay. War events. Or start war. Okay. Speaker, activate that, and then main speaker show num. So we'll do global.num.human. Main speaker show num. And this would be num young. Otherwise, main speaker show num young little. Okay, so now that should do what it's supposed to do. How do I queue this event up? I guess I can just do, let's go to Orstad. So I'm just gonna kind of mangle my save file with some cheats. Oh. Let's do if hair in outfit and hats in outfit. If pants in outfit and shirts in outfit and full body. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope to see you later. And for all these other ones, I have this. Okay. Oh yeah, because it goes through all this stuff. Oh, I see. Dot full body dot skin. Huh. What is this? Does this... I think I can just put this up here as just like, that. Because I don't think I assign to nodes. Yeah. Ah, I need the materials still. Okay, so I still need a bunch of other stuff. So didn't I do something funky with this where I like have all of her materials like somewhere in here? Oh, I know. So if we go to head, copy this player. No, which one am I looking for? Looking for mum_young. Wait, which one of these is Rise? Okay, that one. And then for the mouth, we can do... What can we do? Actually, wait, where the heck is her mouth? I guess it's not here for the primordial version? Weird. Okay. Hmm. Oh wait, I should have a default for the mouth. Ah, well, I don't care. Okay, so where are we? So we are in Mum Young. Okay, that's good. So where is eye material set? So why are these not being set properly? Because I guess these... Okay. These just have a bunch of properties that I wasn't paying attention to. And we should also do the shadowed set by default for this. Okay, then all of these. There we go. So now it might work. Invalid get index hair color in base. So which one is this? Okay, so it's still this one. So is it because the nodes, the defaults? Actually, I betcha these aren't correct, these slots here. Hat, hair. I guess we can just remove this. And we'll just have, So yeah, we should not have outfit, hair. Well, I guess we don't. Let's do if mesh in nodes. Oh wait, we don't even need that. In fact, why don't we just do this here? For n in nodes, if not m, continue. Oh, okay, I see. That applies that stuff. Well, why don't we just get the mesh from the outfit then? Because yeah, we don't need to iterate over this twice. Oh, look at that. It actually worked. But okay. No, I'm not gonna do that right now. Let's put that in like this tiny, because that's like the tiniest refactor. Like refactor mum's outfit code to dynamic character only, or reduce don't grouping and special cases, and that'll be refactor. I don't need to do that right now. Okay, but now if we go back to here, I should be able to queue up an event. So if we go to Major quests, old feeling, Orstad. This is looking good. Kind of. It's getting there. There we go. Okay. So like medium events. Okay. Global prepare medium event. So this is Orstad War. And then we'll teleport to 49. Oh wait, no, we're already here. I'll just go to this medium. Okay, let's do this. Oh, right. Let's do global dot remove stat. Alright, because we need to go to the medium eerily silent. So that's mum/end, so we need to... There we go. Look at that. So now we got that. And we'll... She almost got it. She was very close to successfully deleting. Okay, so what exactly... Oh, I know what caused that. It was because, if we go back to mum little... Oh. Well, no, this should work. Because it has the discard there. Does it do like a buy that's not correct? What happens if we do buy? We do, hide. I mean, that works there, so I don't know. Maybe something janked out with her in, if we go back to the illusory room. Like, maybe I accidentally deleted one of these things. No, they look okay. I mean, also, I think now we don't need this at all. Because it's all controlled. Yeah, so let's do if let's just do if mature.I material. Because now none of this needs to be here. Okay. So we can do global dot prepare medium event Orstad war, and also we can do let's go back to info. So if we go to mum info human, so set human. Okay, so we need to have global add stat mum/post4, because there was still the bug of the little character there. Okay, this is good to know. Okay, let's do if armature dot I material. Why doesn't this? What is this? Armature dot get nodes. Oh, okay, I see. We need to have the little mum. Needs to have the same thing as the. Oh wait, no. Or yeah. We need this. There. And that doesn't need her hair. And we'll just remove this, I guess. Wait, is this supposed to be here then? How does this work? Okay, yeah, it's supposed to be part of the skeleton. There we go. Now we can get the eyes. Let's see, I'm going to raise the volume on the music ever so slightly. Okay. Right, we need global dot prepare medium event forward dot war, and then global add stat mum slash post war. Okay. It could be a little bit better than that, but oh right, okay. And so the reason her eyes are all messed up is because there's a different model for when the eyes are shadowed. So we probably need that. How do we do that? I guess I'll just not have... For now, I'll just not have the eyes either in here. We're just gonna have this... Oh, I guess that's fine there. There's outfit. Yeah, eyes removed. Because our eye material will just be this black. Maybe not quite so weird. Why is this like this? Like they should be, like this should be doing stuff. Like the irises are clearly here. Oh wait, okay, I see. White, so we need a white pixel here. Or we need, no, we need eye. Eye set, where's our eye set? Let's do this. There we go, okay. Let's do 0.2 again. I guess that's good enough for that. Okay. Let's get that. Let's get, what is this? Hang on. We need whatever this is. Not what I wanted. Oh wait, I see. Doesn't she have... Okay. Let's just copy this again, put it here. There we go. Well, that's not gonna look great. Ah well. Okay, so we have this. So which one of these? I guess that's fine. Okay, so we actually need here eye material. Where's our eye set? So we need the neutral set. And then we should probably have, I guess the mouth is gonna be fine. Maybe. Okay, let's do another medium event then. Okay, global, prepare, medium, event, or star, war, global, add, stat, slash, post-war. She should be, she's almost a little normal person. Not really, though. Like, why are her eyes so wrong? They're, like, scary. Do I need to figure this out now? I mean, I guess she's already not like, I'm gonna have to, like, remodel this anyway, so I should probably not work it. I should not worry about it too much, is what I mean to say. Okay, so let's say make the medium actually look good. Make the human character actually work. Hijab. No hijab. Different, or like its outfit. Okay. Because yeah, I think the rest of the actual stuff that needs to get done. This is kind of important. I could do this. Okay, so this should be another medium. Plus stat, network stat. Slash network. Work stats. So let's add a stat like plus stat. Jackie slash medium slash network. Basically, when one of those special events plays, it ignores the changes that happen because of discovering the medium has multiple locations. Let's slow this down a little bit now. So what I need here is mum/network. So if this isn't happening, so mum can apparently travel between two. Let's do if stat, or let's do not stat this. Oh, you need that. Okay. So that gives a lot of this stuff. Otherwise, and then we can have this. We're in another medium. I guess. And let's have this. I guess do. Well, I guess that's fine there. Because we should have this still. Let's just say, right, she must not remember coming to another medium. Okay. Okay, so this stuff, so basically, this gets kind of janky because, So my question for you is, how are you here? Does this building connect to the medium somehow? I guess that's fine. Okay, that's all fine. That fixes that. So now we have things that kind of jankily work. So let's say that's probably good. And these, I guess that's necessary. So really the last of the stuff that I need is a lot of medium writing. And I think I just got to do that on my own. Well, I guess it's not that much. But then I'll start on officially doing the second pass. So it might be, what should I do? Yeah, I guess I'll just do that. I'll call it about here, but let's get this stuff saved and quitted. And if I don't feel like streaming actual game, well, no, I was gonna say I might stream something else, but I don't want to stream something else. I want to work on the game. It's just that if I don't feel comfortable streaming it, I won't stream it. But okay. Add, let's just get add dot. Yeah, because I still have a hard time writing on stream, and also it's all spoiler stuff. But okay, git commit m, some stuff. Wait, hang on. We need to get bingo out. Do I have nonsense commit messages on here? Probably somewhere. Right words make a thing. I don't think so, but I do have leave greater than 20 minutes early, Wait, computer, or mouse. The mouse has betrayed me. The button stopped working. Oh, I see. It's because I'm using a pencil. There we go. Okay. Yeah, let's push this. Alright. So I think that'll be it for today. I'll do some work off stream, allegedly. And I will be back tomorrow. And if I actually get the writing in a comfortable state, I could do some like second pass stuff. Yeah, I've never done it yet, but someday I might actually do work off stream. But okay. I think that'll be it. I'm excited for this because I can see the game coming together, and now all I need is to add all the stuff and make it good. And that should be pretty easy, I think. But alright. Thanks for stopping by. See you later.